Welcome to Bikinidotcom's Wanderlust unboxing video. We've arrived at our latest destination, Phuket, and today we're going to be exploring all the items that are inside the Wanderlust subscription box. Look at this beautiful packaging. This box is gorgeous. The first thing you'll see is the Phuket Thailand booklet. Now, not only is it going to give you information about the products that are included in the box, it's also going to give you information about Phuket itself. For the first product, I'd like to introduce Energy from Pure. This is an energy drink powdered mix that pours right into your water, so it's super convenient if you're on the go. This package is a 30-day worth supply and it contains 5 different flavors: watermelon, lemon, island splash, grape, and mixed berry. It's all natural, there's no GMO, it's gluten-free, and there's no sugar. It gives you that extra mental clarity and focus as well, so it definitely powers you through your day. I love it, I know you guys are gonna love it, it's amazing. For all my frizzy hair sisters out there, you are going to love this product. I have 2 words for you: goodbye, frizz. Ladies and gentlemen, Sansi's Smoothing Cream. This is 100% vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it smells delicious. I love this product. It's good for that day-to-day wear if you want to shield your hair from humidity or just take away the frizz in general or entirely. Seriously, get a bucket of this, you're gonna love it. For the next product, we have Refresh Skin Therapy. This is a fruit chemical peel with kojic acid. It's 100% vegan. It exfoliates your skin, evens your skin tone, brightens your skin, and it even takes away dark spots. Refresh Skin Therapy. Refresh and reset. You'll love it. For the next product, we have Olavita. For those of you that don't know, it means olive of life. Here we have 2 of the soap bars. Each scent will vary per box. It's 100% natural. You can use it for your face, your body, and even your hair. It's gonna moisturize and hydrate, and it smells super good. You will love it. So for the next product, we have Thai for 2 from Verb Culture. Now, if you're not going to Thailand anytime soon, do not worry, we're gonna bring Thailand to you. This is a at-home authentic curry cooking set. It's ready in 7 minutes. All you have to do is add protein and veggies, and it's super delicious. I can't wait to have it later. My stomach is literally growling as we speak. So obviously, you're gonna need to protect your eyes from the gorgeous sun of Phuket. Hump Optics is providing us with some cute sunnies. Each box will receive a different pair. Every pair is polarized, and every pair is super stylish and super cute. Look at this. So nobody likes chapped lips. And if you have chapped lips, don't worry, because I have a perfect solution for you. Our next product is going to be from Honey Bee Gardens with a totally natural tinted lip balm. It's 100% organic, it hydrates your lips, and it protects you from the sun, so you can feel confident about going out in the heat. And it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about that too. So when you show up, you know you gotta glow up. Donor Cosmetics has sent over an illuminizing dewdrops. Not only does it make you shine and make you look fine, it also hydrates and smooths your skin too. It's 100% organic, you would love it. Now you can't go out and about in Phuket without the perfect accessory. Printed Village has sent over a printed scarf. You can wear this over your shoulders, you can wear this as a headscarf, as a skirt, over your bathing suit, however you want it. It's really soft. Literally, I can feel myself literally just cuddling this when I go to sleep at night. It's time to plump it up and pucker up. Our last product, but not least, is from Coco Star Lip Plumping Mask. These are super cute lip plumping mask capsules. They come in these little heart-shaped capsules. You just twist off the top and put on your lips. They're oil infused, so they also hydrate and moisturize. They are perfect for traveling. Well guys, that concludes today's unboxing video of the Wanderlust Phuket box. Check us out at Bikinidotcom, and we'll see you at our next destination.